As regards the euro crosses, here the situation is next. We don't have any kind of positions, but we still pursue the strategy of selling any kind of rebounds in the euro yen. Let's see the euro yen graph. The euro yen, the weekly chart. The euro yen is very close to close below its moving average weekly 200 weekly line, which of course should have from technical point of view a kind of bigger impact on the market on this kind of pair. Also the pair is below its moving average daily line, and all in all the situation is rather negative for the future, for the nearest future of the currency, from both of political scandal in Japan, from protectionist policies conducting by the United States, and risk aversion fears because of this policy, and the possible reaction of other nations to this kind of new tariffs imposed by the United States. All in all, it's not boding well for the currencies, other currencies, again the Japanese yen, and in this case the Japanese yen should strengthen, and should strengthen very strong. As regards the other currencies, euro sterling is, from our point of view, is in the arms of negotiation process, Brexit negotiation process, and if for example the British government is lucky with this kind of process, and finally gets its transition period, it will extend this transition period of Brexit. For sure it will lead the cable, it will lead the British currency to the upside, and that means that probably the euro sterling will for sure retest the current downside limit of its current range around 0.8685. That's probably at the moment the pair is under the downside pressure, but of course a lot of will depend on the Brexit negotiation process at the moment. The euro Swiss is very neutral, but from technical point of view, if you can see the kind of a longer chart, a longer term chart, you can see that longer term uptrend lies around 115.30, and while above this line, as well as moving average 200 daily line at 114.70, the pair should head higher, and probably in the nearest future we will retest the barrier, psychological barrier 120. And the euro ruble, finally, the market will try to evaluate the results of the president elections in the in Russian Federation, where Vladimir Putin was elected as a new president, and it will be very interesting how the market will react to such kind of news. But we suggest there should be not any kind of big fluctuations, because the market was more or less prepared to for such kind of result. See you later with our another report regarding commodity block of currencies. It was FutureTrend channel with you.